Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a YouTube video upload. This is my YouTube Studio dashboard, and let's upload a video to show you how to schedule a video upload. This is video that I will upload to my YouTube. The upload is almost completed. They are now processing the video. Now just click on this next button. Let's go to the last step or the visibility step. And on this visibility step, instead of saving or publishing your video, just click on this little arrow next to schedule and select the date of the day you want to automatically publish your video. Let's go with 23 of September. Here, select the time of the day. Let's select 7:30 a.m. Here you can select different time zones. As you can see, now instead of a publish button, you see a schedule button. Now let's click on schedule. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free, and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's click on schedule button. And as you see, your video will be set to public on this date. And this is how to schedule a YouTube video upload. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.